Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box here from Jeffree. I purchased this sometime last week. This is the premium box that I ordered. The premium box is $60 and it contains 6 items. And from what they said on their Instagram is that the premium boxes and above, so premium, deluxe, and supreme, we're going to be getting I think it's a limited edition eyeshadow palette. So I have not really been purchasing from Jeffree because they just haven't really launched anything exciting, but I was really drawn to the fact that we were going to be getting a mystery limited edition eyeshadow palette. I am a sucker for eyeshadow palettes. I love collecting all of Jeffree eyeshadow palettes. So it just arrived and this is what the mystery box looks like. I really love the color, very summery because it's just like a vibrant neon color. So anyway, I want to show you guys everything that I did receive inside of this box. So let's go ahead and get started.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, so let me just open this up. Before I begin showing you guys everything, I really hope that you guys have subscribed to my channel. I am here for you guys every single week with up to 3 to 4 videos. I'm a little behind right now, so just stay tuned, okay? I have so many exciting launches to share with you guys, so just subscribe, okay? Turn on post notifications so you're notified as soon as I do have a new video here on my channel. Let me take a look here. So it looks like we have 3 single eyeshadows. I received the color Raspberry. I didn't even know that Jeffree sold these single eyeshadows. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like, just in case you also did not know. Let me go ahead and take it out. Okay. And here we have it, Raspberry. I think that this one is actually in the Jawbreaker palette, if I'm not mistaken, this color Raspberry. So I already have this. Let me double check, because if I already have it, I don't want to open this one up. Kind of want to gift it. Okay, so here we have the Jawbreaker palette, and let me look in here. Yeah, we do have the color Raspberry in this palette right here. So here it is. So that is the reason I'm not going to be opening this up. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a future giveaway. But I do want to show you guys a swatch of this color just in case you guys were curious what it looks like. Let me dip my finger in there. Here is what this color looks like, and let me swatch it on the back of my hand. So yeah, there's that color. Would you guys like to see me use the Jawbreaker palette more? Because I haven't played with it in quite a minute. I almost forgot about it, but I remembered having this eyeshadow in this palette, so that's why I just thought I should look. I'm like, maybe. Okay, and then the next single shadow that we have is called Orange Juice. Yep, this one is also in the Jawbreaker palette, so I'm not going to be using this one. But let me show you guys what the color Orange Juice looks like. This one is really pretty. It's a shimmer shadow. There you have it. So there is Orange Juice, and then the other one is called Priceless. And let me see if it's in this palette. No, we do not have Priceless in this palette, but I think this one might be in the Blue Blood palette. Let me check. Yes, so inside of the well, I get so tongue-tied every time I try to say that one. But yeah, Priceless is right here in this corner of the palette. And I will also be showing you guys what this one looks like right over here. Let me put a little bit more. So that right there is Priceless. I already have all these eyeshadows, so I'm not gonna open any of them, but you guys already seen the swatches, so I don't think I even need to. And I also want to check how much these are individually on his website. These single shadows are all $9.99 each. So just for these 3, it is already $30. And they also sent me their what do you call this one? This is called it's just a palette where you put your single eyeshadows in. Let me get this opened up. It does have a plastic. I don't know, should I open it? Maybe I should like gift this together because, I mean, I don't know, should I? I am browsing Jeffree Star Cosmetics website and I am not finding this eyeshadow palette, well, this empty palette here on there to see the price. But I'm just kind of like, I never buy single eyeshadows because it's just a lot. I'd rather buy an entire eyeshadow palette instead of buying them individually, you know? Like, it's really cute. I love the color, of course. You guys know I love pink, but I just don't think I'll get any use out of it because I'm not going to go out and buy single eyeshadows. It's just not me. But if it's you, definitely cute, and it's a really good size as well. The eyeshadows are magnetic and will stick to this palette, but I'm just not a collector like that, so kind of a letdown. Let me see. The next item that I have inside of this box is the gloss. And this is the Shane Dawson gloss. And I have the color Slime Glossin. Okay, the idea that I'm getting from this box right now is that they're just throwing a bunch of products that are not selling for them. Because tell me down below in the comments if you guys actually buy single eyeshadows. It's just like, it's more pricier, you know? Like, you can find an eyeshadow palette that is like for you with whatever color scheme that you like, instead of buying them I don't know. Maybe you guys are collectors. I don't know. Anyway, I hope this is not green, but Slime Glossin and the bottom is green. I'm kind of thinking that this is going to be green. And look at this. The component is pretty badass though. Okay, I was already wearing gloss, but I want to see if I have a tint of green in this gloss. I'm really curious. Are Shane and Jeffree even friends anymore? I have not been following their drama for quite some time, so yeah, I don't know. It's definitely not sticky whatsoever. So I really love that about this gloss, and I do not see a tint of green at all. And the next item I have inside of my box is this Velour lip scrub. I got the flavor rainbow, I can't say that fucking word, sherbet? I don't know, girl. Okay, let me try this one. I've never had a lip scrub from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm really excited. Really cute packaging. Let me get this. Ooh, I'm gonna have to probably take off this gloss. This gloss is not like, I think it feels a little bit more like a lip oil. Like it just wiped it just wiped off super easily. Okay, so this one is green. It smells so good. And I'm reading on the box that it is actually edible, so ooh, it's kind of hard. Okay. Ooh. I actually like this consistency for a lip scrub. I feel like some lip scrubs are too oily and don't do anything, and this one, I'm just gonna eat it. Let me go back in with the gloss. Okay, and the next item I have inside of my box is the Cowboy Kiss Tinted Lip Balm. Damn it, I just applied gloss. I should have waited. Let me see what this one looks like. Ooh, this looks like a mini vibrator. Doesn't it? Or am I tripping? I'm just sick-minded. Okay, let me get this opened up. Ooh, this is kind of deep for my liking. I don't like dark lipsticks. But this is a lip balm, so maybe it's not that dark. Let me try this on. Ooh, I actually really like this. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and top it off with some gloss, because why not? Okay, I like these. And then the last item, which is the star of the show. Let me get it opened up. This here is the Star Ranch eyeshadow palette. I love the rough exterior. It almost feels like real wood. Giving ranch vibes. Let's open this up. Star Ranch by Jeffree Star. I love this. It's all pink, and I love how the clouds look in the background. If you guys didn't know, I actually just launched some new synthetic eyelashes with the sky as the packaging. Let me show you real quick. So here are my eyelash boxes for my synthetic eyelashes. And I'm just, you know, really feeling this. I love this eyeshadow palette from how it looks like on the exterior. sky in the background as well with a very light print of the logo right there. Okay, let me show you guys the inside of this. This is the palette. It still has a sticker. It also had the plastic covering this. I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. I kind of do, because you can get like neutral looks in with this palette right here. If you take these colors out right here, you can do something neutral, very wearable, and then you have your vibrant shades. I really do love this color right here. It's something that I definitely see myself wearing a lot. Ooh, I love the little guns right here as well. You have two little guns with the star right there. Let me get this peeled off, because we're definitely keeping this and adding it to my collection. I don't know what I want to do. I'm kind of feeling inspired right now. So inside of this palette that you guys are seeing, there's only 3 matte shades and the rest are shimmers. All the shimmers look beautiful, but the one that says Old Jeff, Little Old Jeff, that one is really calling my name. But I also want to do something very wearable today. I don't know. So I guess let's try this out. Let me show you guys all the swatches, because obviously I'm not going to wear all of them. So I want to get started with showing you guys swatches of the shimmers. We're going to try the color Owl Eyes first, which is this shade right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this right here. Beautiful. The next shade is called Open Range. I'm going to put this one right next to the other one. Let me do a better swatch. So that one is Open Range. The next one I'm going to swatch is called Casper Mountain. That's this shade right here. Ooh, that was a terrible swatch. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's see. The next one is called Star Creek. And that right there is Star Creek. The one I'm most excited about is called Old Jeff, and that's this one right here. We're gonna go in there. And let me go ahead and place this one right here. Wow. That is beautiful. That is so pretty. Okay, and then the last one is called Winter Wind, and that's the darkest blue from this palette here. And with this one, I'm going to have to go over here because I'm out of room on the other side. Wow, that is a beautiful royal blue right there. So these are all the shimmers that you guys are seeing. So now we're going into Yak Farm. That's this one right here. This is the first matte shade that I'm going to be swatching for you guys. Kind of like similar to my skin color, so it might be a little difficult to see this on me. So again, that one is called Yak Farm. And now I'm going to go into the color Wyoming. That's this color right here. I'm going to put that one right next to the other one. And then the third one I'm going to swatch is called Grand Prismatic. That's this one right here. Whoa. That is electric. These right here are the 3 matte shades that are inside of the palette. I am going in with some eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be playing with the eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to do something more of a neutral look today because I'm going to go on about my day. I don't want anything too bold. I will do a separate video using this eyeshadow palette just with the more vibrant shades because I want to do something extremely creative and I'm not trying to get out of my house looking a little too crazy. So again, I'm telling you guys, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my future content. I'm going to play it simple and I'm going to use this color right here called Yak Farm. I'm going to take a really fluffy brush. I just cleaned it up on my makeup towel right now. So with Yak Farm, I'm going to go in here. Oh wow, it's actually pretty pigmented. So yeah, I'm just using this as my transition color since it's one of the lightest mattes in the palette. No fallout whatsoever. That was beautiful to blend. You see, I really love Jeffree Star Cosmetics' eyeshadow palette. That's why I always, like, every time he launches a new eyeshadow palette, I always go towards it and purchase it. But since he hasn't been launching any eyeshadow palettes, I have not been purchasing from him. I was definitely really excited when he mentioned a mystery eyeshadow palette in these boxes. So here we are with today's video. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in regards to all the products that I received in this box. Did you guys get your own? What did you guys receive? Let me know. Yeah, that is looking really beautiful. I'm going to take a different brush. I kind of want to take a smaller, fluffy brush. And I want to go into the color Wyoming, which is the dark brown from the palette. That's this one right here. And I'm going to be depositing it on the outer corner right there. Kind of getting scared to get any fallout, which I am not seeing so far. Very pigmented eyeshadow right here. And yeah, I'm just applying it to the outer corner, slowly working my way in and working out the outer edges like this. I am gonna have to take that previous brush that I was using and go back into Yak Farm and just make sure that the edges are really well blended. Love that. Okay, now I'm gonna take the lightest shimmer from this palette, and that would be Owl Eyes. Oh, fuck. Ugh. Okay, sorry about that. So with the color Owl Eyes, I'm just going to be placing it onto the eyelid in this beginning portion of the eye. And I'm just applying it like so. Now that I applied it, I'm going to go in with my finger because I feel like that's where we get the most pigment. And just applying it like this. Go back in with the color Wyoming at this outer corner and just make sure everything is nicely blended in this lid area. Okay, that looks really pretty. Very pigmented eyeshadows, and I'm really loving it so far. I haven't played with the colorful shades yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look and share my final thoughts. Okay, so I just popped on some of my eyelashes. I'm wearing the Style Driven. If you guys are interested in these lashes, they're going to be linked down below in the description box. My final thoughts in regards to the mystery box, I am kind of like half and half, because half of the box was basically eyeshadows that I already had, and I'm not a collector of single eyeshadows, so this is definitely not for me. The lip scrub that I did receive, I really love the flavor of it and the texture of this actual lip scrub. I think that it's definitely going to work for my lips. And then I also received this lip balm that I definitely loved, even though I was a little scared and skeptical to try it at first because I don't like dark lipsticks on me. It's just not my preference. I definitely did like it. It gives me a very light tint to my lips, and the gloss, which I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about it. I did like it because it's a gloss, you know. I love glosses. It doesn't have a green tint to it. I just didn't like the fact that it feels more like a lip oil than a gloss, because with lip oils, they just tend to come off really easily, and I don't like that. I do like the component of it, so I'm definitely going to use this quite often, but at the same time, it's kind of like, is it a lip oil or a gloss? You know, I'm probably going to be using it for skincare videos where I just want my lips to look a little on the glossy side. Now let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. I really did like how this look came out. I love how pigmented the eyeshadows are. I never have to question the quality of Jeffree Star Cosmetics' eyeshadows, so I'm just not sure of how I feel about the color scheme. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm going to keep playing around with it, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts in my next video to come, because I did let you guys know that I'm going to be playing around with the more vibrant shades from this palette in another video to come. So just make sure you guys do subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I appreciate your time and just for clicking on this video. I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye! Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.